Howdy do, people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Sis, you the real G. If you're a bro, you the real G. So let's get on to business, people. So first of all, I want y'all to head over to my Instagram and follow me on my lash page. Y'all know I always represent from my lash page, lashes, accessories, and me. You know your girl of the good lash them. But anyways, today, girl of the good ear style. Yes, my Instagram has been blowing up since I made a video yesterday, and I thought that I would just upload this video because I had this video prepared like since last week. I wanted to post the video, but I was just like going through a phase and I just didn't want all the comments and all. So guys, I've been doing my own locks for years now, like about 5 years, but I've never really tried Goddesslocs. I don't think I've ever tried it, but yeah, it's the first time I've ever been doing it this thin and trying to get this kind of like curly look. So I'm really loving it, and a lot of good compliments have been coming my way about my locks. So I wanted to share with y'all, like, see, I mean, like, come on, like, I really love these locks. Like, they're very lightweight. They can be pulled into one unit, and I don't really have to struggle to get it in a bun. Like sometimes when you get locks done, or Goddesslocs done, or any type of locks, it's like really hard to get it in one unit. So I decided that, hey, I want mine to be unique. I want it to be curly. I want it to be very manageable. So that's why I did it like this. For the products that I use, for the hair that I use, for everything that I use, I'll ensure that I put it down in the description box so y'all can go get them. I'll put the name there. I'm not sure if it's in your parish or the state that you're in, but I'll definitely try to see if I can find it on Amazon so y'all can get on the plug. And the Kima braids, that's the curly hair at the end. They're really soft, but don't pull on them too much because you'll lose your curl, okay? And in order to care for it, you need to just tie your edges at night, and you can put the rest of your hair in a bonnet so it doesn't get frizzy. So in another video, I'm gonna show y'all how I style my goddess braids or my Goddesslocs. So stay tuned for the video, guys. I hope you do enjoy. I know this is a bit of a twist to my channel, but I did say lifestyle and beauty, and your girl, I know I'm gonna come through with this. I know say enough people are look through for this. So guys, here it is. Enjoy. Bye.
Hello again, guys. So for today, I'll be using the Yaman braids, and these were copped at my local beauty supply store. The next braid that I'll be using for the curly effect is the Kima braid. These were bought in the same store. So I'll be plaiting my hair in small sections and further sectioning them off with this hair clip, and this is the size that is recommended for each plait. This is my hair plait and further section off with the hair clips. So you need your hook, and you're gonna open it and push it through your plait. After doing this, you're just gonna put your hair right at the hook, and then you're gonna close it and pull it through. After you pull it through, ensure that it's the right length that you want it to be, because some might not want it to be that long, and you're gonna use your Yaman hair and do the same thing. So now you're gonna pull through the hair, and then you're gonna ensure you grab those 3 strands of hair, anchor your hand, and then you're gonna start to wrap, baby girl. Wrap it. So now that you have finished wrapping all the way down to the end, you can just clip it if you want to. And to secure the ends, you're gonna need a glue. I'm using magic nail glue, and I'm just gonna add a few drops to the end, and then I'm going to palm roll. So I'll demonstrate the palm roll right now. So just rub the braid in between your two hands, and there you have it. You have your first goddess lock. Very flexible, and it is not tight. So I want to show you guys one more time how do you get to your goddess locks. So you get your kima braid and you will definitely measure it. You measure it how long you want it to be. You take your hook, push it through your plait, get your kima here, pull it through, and then you're gonna get your yaman here. Sometimes you will need to comb out the ends in order to get that flat look that you want. So all you're gonna need to do now is just grab those 3 braids. So the kima braid, the yaman braid, and your hair, and you're just gonna wrap it all the way down to the end. Very quick and easy, and these braids are very lightweight, and you can easily get them to go into one unit, which is better for me. Rig, yalla do ear tutorial. Good as for them, say yeah, good as for them. Whoa, good as for them, say yeah, good as for them. Ray, wako with you. Hey, I'm so proud of myself, guys. Leave a comment down below if you really enjoyed this tutorial. You can use your lighter at the end of your hair just to secure it a bit more, and then you can just roll it in between your fingers, and there you have it. Yes, goodie. Yes, it look good. No, I won't make me serious, so no, sir. No, I'm not after to go on, so why me I be so strong? At this point, I was watching Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Trust me, sis, it is hilarious. Sometimes you'll see some stray ends on the hair. You can just clip them right away or leave them until the end. I have one diggy one left. One diggy one. Me done, me finish. You can talk to me. Yes, good girl. Ray. Yes, goodie. Me good girl, me nice. Now I am going to trim my ends, and any little straight here what did it, I will cut it off, because guess what, I'm gonna need that in my life. Yes. So as you can see, guys, I go through one by one and do my thing. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.